Hi everybody, just wanted to show you my lettuce. I'm here in South Florida. This is actually this wall right here faces the north. So it's getting a little bit of sun now. But in South Florida, basically the winter is the time you can grow some of these things. You can't really grow it in the summer, it just gets too hot. But in the wintertime you can grow this. And then lettuce, I've been growing it here against this wall. Initially it kind of didn't get off to a fast start because it really wasn't getting any sun, but it slowly started to grow, and look at this. I've been eating a lot of them actually for a while, and look at how beautiful it looks. It's just full of beautiful lettuce. And the other thing is down here, leaf lettuce grows better than the heads, so that's something else to consider if you're in South Florida. You can do the same thing, plant them basically in an area where you have shade, and go with the leaf lettuce, and it'll start out slow, but eventually you get a great harvest. And this one over here is to the south, but it's got an awning on the top, so it's shaded as well, and I've gotten a bunch of them from here too, and still got some left. And here's my mulberry. You got mulberries right here. Here's my tomato plant. I haven't even watered this thing. I just kind of let it, but it's still throwing out. I mean, I've gotten so many tomatoes. I've been eating for like 2 months, picking like small bowls every day, and you can see it's still got a bunch of them, new ones, even flowering still. Even though I'm not really, like I said, I'm not even watering. I'm just letting it go, and you can tell all the tomatoes right here. Look at all the beautiful tomatoes. I mean, it's been incredible how many tomatoes I've gotten. Another thing is cherry tomatoes do better here in South Florida as well. You have like the Everglades, which is kind of like the native tomatoes for this area, and the cherries do quite well too. You can grow big ones, but the little ones do really well. And then here, wanted to show you my kale. See, this is the south part of the wall here, so it's getting a little bit more sun, but it still gets, here since I have the neighbor's porch and all that, you still get some filtered light sometimes, and not 100% all day sun. So, but the kale grew really well as well. You can see right here that it looks beautiful, ready to eat. All in all, it's done pretty well. As you can see, you can still grow a lot of vegetables here in South Florida. You just have to do it in the winter time. There's a few that will grow in the summer as well. But you have to play with it, experiment, plant in different areas, see what works better based on how much sun you're getting in that area, and so forth, and play with different things, and see what's successful. Good thing is to write down in a little notebook. Write down what works and the time frames that you planted it, so that you have a future reference and in the area that you did it, and that way you can be more successful. Anyway guys, just wanted to show you how things were doing here in my little urban farm. Hope you liked it. God bless.